On July 3rd, 2024, near Compton, California, two patrol officers pulled over a white Chevrolet sedan during a routine traffic stop.
Hey, this guy's not stopped. Keep an eye out, make sure he's not crossing any other vehicle. You want to call it a reckless, or do you if they take off?
He's been swerving.
Yep. There we go, PA. Move your hand real quick.
Oh, stop.
Go! Shots fired! Officer needs help! Get the car! What was that? You guys go! Just go!
Both officers were hurt by flying glass when bullets hit their windshield, and one was grazed twice in the head. The suspect, 31-year-old Malcolm Gus, a 7-time felon, was arrested 9 days later. This shocking video begins with a New Mexico State police officer pulling over to help a car with a flat tire.
6-6 taking care of B97. Hey, bud.
Got a flat tire. You can help me?
What are you needing?
Just a tire. I need a ride to the store. You get me there.
Okay, I can get you back to town real quick, but nobody's open tonight.
Well, I can that's fine. I get to town. I just come back to get the car.
Okay, go ahead and go to the front of my car real quick. I'll meet you up there real quick. I'll get you.
Seeing the officer still alive, the man fired several more shots to finish the cold-blooded murder. He then got into the patrol car, moved the officer's body, and drove away. After driving for about 5 minutes, the man pulled over on a remote road and dumped the officer's body. Officer Justin Hare was found alive but critically injured and sadly died before reaching the hospital. The suspect, 33-year-old Jeremy Smith, later crashed the stolen patrol car, stole another vehicle, and was caught 2 days later. Investigators discovered that just 2 days earlier, Smith had kidnapped and murdered a paramedic, the same person he stole the BMW from. Smith now faces a mandatory life sentence without parole, and prosecutors may seek the death penalty. An Illinois State Police trooper stopped to help a stranded vehicle, but the couple inside kept giving him false names. After running their info and spotting inconsistencies, he grew suspicious and called for backup.
There's no reason to lie to us when we're just trying to help. The only thing I was trying to do is help. You guys could have been long down the road, probably 15, 20 minutes ago down the road, if you would have just said, here's my ID, and been done, right? Yes. It would have solved so much. But you guys have...
No, he's going back and forth.
It adds.
Moving forward.
Not all cops are bad, right? I've been very... it's okay.
No, you've been nothing like... And I had a herniated disc. I mean, I kind of just...
Let me go check it real quick, Brandon.
When the trooper finally got their real names, he ran them again and discovered why they'd been hiding. The man, Brandon Griffin, had a nationwide arrest warrant for felony weapons charges.
All right. Hey, Brandon.
Hey, how you doing?
All right. I want to have you turn around for a minute. All right. Turn. No.
Hey, I'm
Brandon.
not going in cuffs.
Hold on.
Brandon, we're not doing this.
Brandon.
Listen to me.
Hey,
Brandon.
I'm not.
We're done.
I'm not going in cuffs.
Hey, Brandon.
We're done.
Stop.
No.
Brandon.
No.
Stop.
Brandon.
What?
Stop. If you don't stop, I'm adding charges to you.
Charged with resistance.
You're going to get extra charges.
Stop.
All right, Brandon, we're done. We're done.
Get your hand. Stop. Stop resisting.
Brandon. Christine, stay out of the car.
Do it.
Christine, stay out of the
What are you doing? What are you
Christine, stay out of the car.
protecting me? We had bear spray.
Christine, please step backwards.
Stop.
Please hit.
Please let
Stop.
him
It's
go,
just a stupid.
please.
Christine, please step back.
I'm begging
Yes.
you.
Stop.
Christine,
Stop.
listen to me.
Please,
I need you to stop. Please back up for me.
I'm begging you.
Back up for me.
Please, I'm begging you.
Stop.
Don't do
Christine.
this. I can't. We're gonna die.
No, you're not.
We
Christine,
are gonna die.
I need
They're
you to
trying
back.
to kill us. They tried to kill us in there.
Ducoin X.
Please don't. Please.
Ducoin X83. Send additional.
Please don't.
You're gonna have to bear spray me.
As troopers struggled to restrain Brandon, it was clear the couple was lost in their own twisted reality. Brandon's wife, Christine Santos, ran to the car searching for bear spray, adding even more stress for the troopers.
Stop. Stop.
Christine, get out of that car. Christine, deal with her. Christine, back up.
I was in the military. You're gonna have to shoot me. Not be going.
Realizing Brandon was too strong, one trooper pulled out the taser and shocked him twice.
Stop, Jerry. Hey!
Get him.
Ow! On the ground!
Carry the taser.
Hey, go back!
Christine, get back.
Go cuff him! Go cuff!
Shoot me in the head.
Christine, get back.
Stop it!
Oh, he's got a gun. He's got a gun. Gun. Decoy X83. Shots fired. Shots fired. Suspect. Officer shot. Officer shot.
Shots fired!
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Go. Go back. Go back. Get back. Get back behind my car.
Good.
Police say the shootout left one trooper seriously injured, but not in life-threatening condition. Brandon Griffin wasn't as lucky. He died in the car from a gunshot wound. Christine Santos was arrested on the spot on a no-bond warrant for violating bond in a firearm assault case, where Brandon had been her co-defendant. On May 6, 2021, in Casper, Wyoming, police stopped a car for a suspected license plate violation, unaware of what was about to unfold.
Hey, don't do it!
Officers Andrew Lowski and Jake Bigelow approached the vehicle.
Can I see your license and insurance, please?
I don't have a license copy, but I do have a license. So.
What's your name? Sorry, it was Sean. You got insurance?
I'm not sure about that.
Oh, is this your car? Yeah. Can you pull it up on your phone? Okay, do that and I'll be right back.
As one officer headed back to the cruiser, the car's owner in the passenger seat saw a chance to escape. But things didn't go as planned.
Hey! Come back here. What are you doing, man?
I'm just getting out of the car, dude. I ain't trying to do nothing. I'm getting out.
Just stay here. Just stay here on the ground.
All right.
Here on the ground. 348, start us back.
I just want to get ran over.
Hey!
Here's a look at what happened from the officer's Bigelow body cam.
Hey, what's your name again, man? Sean? Can I talk to you real quick? Can you hop out for me real fast?
I'm not answering questions. I'd like.
That's fine. I'd just like you to hop out real quick for me.
I'd like your sergeant.
Okay, I'm still asking you to hop out of the car, though, Sean. Hey, so listen to me. Don't drive off. Don't drive off. Hey. What are we doing? Don't drive. Hey, what are you doing, man? Pull him back there. He's driving. Hey, don't do it. Don't fucking do it. I will show me your hands right now. Put your hands up. Don't you do it. Don't you. If you drive away with me, I will kill you. Hey, I'm gonna shoot you. I'm gonna shoot you. Or I will shoot you. Stop the car. I'm gonna shoot you right now. Last chance. I'm gonna shoot you.
Shoot me.
I'm gonna shoot you.
Shoot me then.
What are you doing?
I'm going.
Stop the car.
The driver hit 70 miles per hour in the oncoming lane, with Bigelow inside. then suddenly reached into a backpack and pulled out a black object in a pistol-like grip, later revealed to be a butane lighter shaped like a gun.
Stone! Stop reaching! Stop reaching! Stop reaching! 329 shots fired! 329 shots fired! He wouldn't stop, he kept reaching. Yeah. Where's the other passenger at?
Take off.
No, I appreciate you doing that. He's been shot. We're trying to get him out of the car to start medical right now. Dude, I waited so long, fuck, man. I begged him to stop the car. He wouldn't stop. I was in it. I finally was like, he's going with me. I finally got it slammed into park and the car started skidding. And then he lunged into the back. He started reaching. He grabbed something. I don't know what it was he grabbed. I couldn't see his hand. He reached over to the other side. I told him I'm going to shoot you. And finally, I think I shot him like 3 or 4 times.
The suspect, 42-year-old Thomas Joseph Rauber, was pronounced dead. A search of the car turned up a felony amount of meth and a BB gun. The driver, who refused to be involved, faced no charges. Officer Jake Bigelow was placed on administrative leave during the investigation, but was later cleared of any wrongdoing. Officers responded to reports of an SUV swerving into oncoming traffic. Concerned drivers blocked it at an intersection, but when police arrived, the driver, 24-year-old Sierra Hibbert, managed to break free.
Come on!
After hitting 2 witnesses and a police cruiser, Sierra drove a short distance on at least 1 flat tire before stopping, likely because of the traffic jam ahead.
Yeah. She's not gonna make it far. Go.
With her car badly damaged, she only made it a short distance before officers, now backed up, boxed her in and pulled her out. But the wildest part of this case was still to come.
Help over here. I got you.
Sir.
Ma'am. We got it.
I know I'm buckled, sir. I know I'm buckled, sir.
Yeah.
Sir. I didn't do anything. I didn't do it, sir.
You just tried to kill 10 people.
No, I didn't, sir.
Alex, switch
No. Sir, stop. Sir, I didn't do it. Stop. You have... No. Why have you done... Stop. Stop. I didn't do it.
It won't fit.
You might not have noticed, but some civilians from the start of the video followed the chase because they'd seen a toddler inside Sierra's car.
Stop. I did not do it. I did not do whatever you guys are talking about. I did not do anything you guys are talking about.
I need to wreck 3 police cars.
No, I did not.
And a couple others.
About 3 freaking stop signs ago and started saying that I was driving recklessly and I was not.
Well,
You couldn't kill that kid. I didn't do anything. Yes, you did. You almost killed 3 fucking people. How? What did I do? Don't even ask how. How? You killed 3 people.
Put her in my car. Yeah.
Bystanders, Tiffany and Brent Cox, knew they had to act when they saw the child's legs in the back seat. They blocked Sierra's escape until police arrived. Sierra Hibbert was charged with 6 counts of aggravated assault, 1 for each person and police vehicle she hit. Share your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more real-life stories like this.